Hi my soulmates, in this video I will be showing you how to use the invisible superfoot, also known as a K-foot. You can choose whether to use the left or right side. The dance on the superfoot is designed to hold the super teeth on either side. When installing the superfoot, remember to ensure the hollow circle is facing forward. At the same time, keep the needle position centered. Before we begin sewing, I would like to introduce the benefits of the invisible superfoot. Although we can use the regular superfoot to sew an invisible super, as you can see in the image, the design of the invisible superfoot helps us to sew close to the super teeth. By using the regular superfoot, it's easy to make mistakes. If we don't stitch close enough to the super teeth, the super will not look invisible in the finished outcome. Therefore, the invisible superfoot is more user-friendly. Here is a tip for you. Before sewing, you can use an iron to press the super teeth open. Once it's opened, it will be easier for you to sew closer to the super teeth. When starting to sew, place the super teeth on the correct side of the superfoot. While sewing forwards, remember to align the center of the superfoot with the edge of the super teeth. Once you complete one side, you can start sewing the other. When starting to sew the other side of your super, you can also choose to start from the bottom up. I will film another video in more details to show you how to sew an invisible super. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my sewing. Bye bye!